Hey everybody, I'm here to show you how to set up your new classes for this school year in Second Step. So I started by, I do have it bookmarked up here, but just for the sake of the example, I started by Googling Second Step Middle School Curriculum, and it pops up right here and gives you an easy to link. You're going to go up here and click Log In. And I am not going to sign in as myself. Mine looks slightly different, so I'm going to actually sign in as Shannon McCarthy. And I promise you that she has already changed her password since this one is not private anymore. So I am going to type in her password and show you what it looks like. So I'm going to start here by clicking on the name and then selecting My Dashboard. And then underneath the dashboard, it's going to bring this up. It's going to show me what my dashboard data is. All of my classes from last year have already been archived. So I'm going to click Create a Class. Now, Shannon teaches 7th grade, and I'm going to type in her last name, and I'm going to type in her grade level and the year. And so here is her class for McCarthy, 7/2020. The start date was in August, the end date is in June. I can go ahead and create a class. All right, now once I create this class, I can click View My Classes and it shows me what my class is going to look like. It looks like it's still thinking here. I'm going to click on View Lessons. Now, here's what I want to show you that things are just a little bit different here than they were last year. Second Step did a little bit of a revamp over the summer to show, to reorganize and to update some lessons and to make greater differentiation between grade levels. So we are going to use the units in order, unit 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Last year was a little bit different. But what I think you'll notice here that's different, the lessons are organized much the same, 1 through 7 here in unit 1. And if we click on an example here, identifying roadblocks, here the lesson plan and the student handouts are all right here on the same website, and you can either teach the lesson right from here or preview the lesson if you're prepping it. And then what I like about this remodel is that actually on the bottom is where they have recommended advisory activities, the class meetings, which are like discussions, and class challenges, which are like games. Like anything this year, it's going to take a little bit of thought about how this might work in a hybrid model and over Zoom. But last year, these activities, meetings, and challenges were buried a little bit into the website. And so right now, they're much easier to find, which is something that I enjoy. So if you have any questions, make sure that you give Corey an email or a shout and let me know. And shout out to Shannon for letting me set up her classes for her.